Is Wealthy Affiliate a scam? Scam or legit? That's what we'll be talking about today. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog. Also hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. I make videos quite frequently. I point out scam sites. I make videos of legit sites. But we're going to be talking about Wealthy Affiliate today. We'll be taking a look at some of the things. So let's get right into this. Okay, so what is Wealthy Affiliates? So their front page here, a platform designed for affiliate marketers of all levels. Whether you're just getting started or have some experience or are an ultra successful affiliate marketer, Wealthy Affiliate is made for you. And then you scroll down here, transform your ideas into profits. Start a business from 1 million lucrative niches. Build beautiful, profit-ready websites, no design skills needed. Proven strategies to attract loads of traffic to those websites. Unlimited resources for affiliate programs as such. Wealthy Affiliate powers affiliate marketers worldwide. They've been in business 15 years, 193 countries, lots of members, so on and so forth. Real feedback, all the features you need to succeed, and so on and so forth. Zero risk. So you do get a free trial, not even a free trial, it's a free account, a free starter membership. And within that free membership, you get lots and lots and lots of free stuff to test it out to see if it's something you would like to do. You don't even need a credit card or anything to sign up. So pretty cool. So is it a scam though? That is the question. And that is what I'm going to look over today. So let's take a look at some real users of Wealthy Affiliate. By the way, I am a member of Wealthy Affiliate. I have been for years. And I use their platform for web hosting as well. You get two free websites with a free account. So I'm going to go here and take a look at this. This is just today, a little snapshot of today, what's going on here. We have a dashboard here of people that can post. There's new members. You can have your own little blog on here as well. You can ask questions. All kind of very helpful stuff for members, premium and non-premium. Obviously, the premium membership, you have a lot more stuff. And we're just going to scroll down here. See, this is a top 10 posts today. I'm not going to Vegas this year. They go to Vegas every year for the top affiliates here on Wealthy Affiliate for promoting Wealthy Affiliate. But anyways, let's see. You can ask questions. There's new blogs, motivating posts from other members, all kind of stuff here. Success is happening at Wealthy Affiliate. This is the part I want to show you here. Oh my God, 9 Shopify sales since Monday. Best day of sales yet, $200. Hit my first $100 day. This is July 18th results, almost 3K. Affiliate marketing bought me a new premium TV. Show more. So these are members inside posting all this stuff. So, and then I took a screenshot of some other ones, not screenshots, but bookmarked a couple other ones. I made $632 this month, goal completed. Just sold 2 sites for $9,000. How to make money with Wealthy Affiliate. That's a nice way to do it. And then there's obviously people just going to start out. My first $100 month on Wealthy Affiliate payday. 100K in 1 week. Hard work pays off huge. Now this guy's been a member for a long time too, since 2016. You know, the thing with these kind of products and services, 452 from one platform. One day you can do this too. This little mama here, she's a very active member in the community here. I just earned close to $10,000. So, and here's some of the training. That's my website, sorry. The free account here, you get this. So the thing is, it's not a scam. You know, you have to put time and effort into this kind of stuff to get the results that I'm showing you here. I mean, some of them are like, you know, $100, my first $100. Some of them are outrageous, 150K in a week. You know, that guy has been doing it for a long time. You know, it's not easy. It's very easy to get started in learning, you know, but you got to stay with it. Like, here's some of the free courses you get here. Get rolling, understand how to make money online, choosing a niche, and so on and so forth. And you can start for free today. Like I said, no credit card. None of that stuff. There's so much stuff in here. There's websites. You build your websites. They have the website hosting. They have really good back end for the web hosting. Really fast websites. They have the site speed stuff on there. If they're WordPress websites, a lot of times with WordPress websites, you can add all those extra plugins to try to make your site faster and all this stuff. But they have all that stuff added in on the back end. They have the plugins and stuff like SEO plugin that they use. It's already built in when you install. It literally takes 30 seconds to create a website. Now, of course, you have to write all the content for the website. That takes a lot longer, but they go through all the steps here and how to do that. So if you think it's a scam, then, I don't know. If you think something like this is a scam, you're never gonna get involved in this stuff. It's not a scam. Test it out. They give you enough, way more than enough stuff to test it out and see if it's something you want to do. I don't know too many other sites that do that. A lot of times you have to pay up front for these kind of courses and stuff like that. And I've courses up to $1,000, even more than that. This you start for free, and if you do upgrade to premium, it's relatively inexpensive. I think the first month you get half off. You could do it monthly, you could do it yearly, you could do it for 6 months. And even in the yearly plan, I spend like $300 some a year. That's it. That includes my web hosting. The domain names do cost separate. They're like $15 a year for your domain names and stuff like that. But pretty much everything else is in here. And they have live events. This is for premium members though. Every week there's a new webinar, and you can watch the back catalog of here. Right now they're doing the Pinterest stuff, and you can do a search for stuff you're looking for. Let's see, like Facebook or something. So Facebook ads, retargeting, and so on and so forth. There's all kinds of courses in here. You're gonna want to check out. The live events are for premium members only, like I said. But there's affiliate programs. You can find all kinds of affiliate programs within here. There's writing tools. There's just so much wealth of information going on in here. And if you do use my link down below, I'm going to be, helping you out as well, because we're connected with inside the network here. Kyle here is one of the co-founders. He does a lot of the video training, and you can contact him as well. And there's there's so much stuff in here. I mean, it's worth checking out. If you want to start making an online business and really making money online, it's a full-time income, it's definitely worth checking out. It's definitely not a scam. You got to put work into it, like I said. It's totally legit. They've been around for 15 years. So check it out, folks. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you're still watching this video, thank you very much. Please consider subscribing. Check out my hundreds of other videos as well. But this one here is definitely for people that really want to work and really want to get into an online business for themselves. So check it out, folks. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.